Hello and welcome to Construction Master. Today, we're going to talk about what is construction. The Construction Master channel provides a range of videos to construction students and professionals. This topic published in Part 01, 02, 03, 04 and full version, and this is Part 03. Don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon on YouTube, Facebook page, Instagram, and Twitter. Procurement. There are mainly four types of procurement strategy: 1 traditional or design bid build, 2 design build, 3 construction management, 4 management contracting. Traditional or design bid build is the most common and well-established method of construction procurement. In this arrangement, the architect, engineer or builder acts for the client as the project coordinator. They design the works, prepare specifications and design deliverables, models, drawings, etc., administer the contract, tender the works, and manage the works from inception to completion. In parallel, there are direct contractual links between the client and the main contractor, who, in turn, has direct contractual relationships with subcontractors. The arrangement continues until the project is ready for handover. Design-build became more common from the late 20th century and involves the client contracting a single entity to provide design and construction. In some cases, the design-build package can also include finding the site, arranging to fund, and applying for all necessary statutory consents. Typically, the client invites several D&B contractors to submit proposals to meet the project brief and then selects a preferred supplier. Often this will be a consortium involving a design firm and a contractor, sometimes more than one of each. In the United States, departments of transportation usually use design-build contracts as a way of progressing projects where states lack the skills or resources, particularly for very large projects. More details will be discussed in the following videos. In a construction management arrangement, the client enters into separate contracts with the designer, architect or engineer, a construction manager, and individual trade contractors. The client takes on the contractual role, while the construction or project manager provides the active role of managing the separate trade contracts, and ensuring that they complete all work smoothly and effectively together. This approach is often used to speed up procurement processes, to allow the client greater flexibility in design variation throughout the contract, to enable the appointment of individual work contractors, to separate contractual responsibility on each individual throughout the contract, and to provide greater client control. More details will be discussed in the following videos. Thank you for watching. Please continue watching Part 04. The Construction Master channel provides a range of videos to construction students and professionals. Don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon on YouTube, Facebook page, Instagram, and Twitter. See you in the next videos. Stay safe. Bye bye.